channel and welcome to today's video. So today's another DIY by Kaffie. Yes. Okay, so this video I'm gonna show you how I'm using egg to tighten my skin, to firm, to lift my cheekbone, to get a younger, clearer looking skin. I know you are interested, right? Yeah, I'm excited too. So if you want to see how I make this, just let's go into my kitchen and get this video going. So I will be using egg, tomato and lime for this face mask. Since they are easy to combine, but not only, they are very effective in tightening, firming, lifting and boost the collagen production of the skin. Egg is good for aging skin. Egg whites can help tighten and firm. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of buildups. And if your skin is oily, egg whites are said to clarify pores and hair follicles. Tomatoes, on the other hand, are full of antioxidants, including vitamin C. Therefore, eating tomato may help reduce the amount of cell-damaging free radicals in the body and will give you a youthful skin. Tomato fights cellulite damage, further retaining the moisture, therefore preventing fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate the egg white from the egg yolk, because we will be using the egg white. You can use any method that is suitable for you. In this case, I'm just extracting, as you can see. Whisk the egg white so it can change its consistency, and then we're just gonna set it aside. So I'm gonna take my tomato and cut it into half. A little goes a long way, so you don't really need a lot. So half of a tomato is good to go. Now I'm gonna be blending the tomato, so I will chop it into small pieces because I'm using a small blender. But if you have a powerful blender, then you don't need to chop it. And if you don't have a blender, don't worry, you can just go ahead and grate the tomato and extract the juice. Now I'm gonna add my chopped tomato into the blender, and I'm gonna be adding one more ingredient, which is a lime peel. Lime peel reduces wrinkles. Vitamin C does more than fight the common cold. Lemon peel boosts the elastic in your skin and smooth out wrinkles. So I will be placing the lime peel in the blender with the tomato, and I will be blending both together. Our blended tomato and lime peel. So now let's put all of this together, reaching back for our egg white. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of tomato and lime peel and add that into our egg white. You don't need to make a lot since you will be using it right away. Do not store this remedy. So after adding the 2 teaspoons of tomato lime mixture, then we gonna mix well with the egg white. So what I'm gonna do is store this in the refrigerator for an hour or so, because the colder it is, the more it will grab your skin, tighten your skin and firm your skin. Yep. Now I'm gonna put this away and I'm gonna show you how to apply this on your face. Apparently I wasn't filming when I was applying this, so I already did apply the first layer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the rest. Another layer. Be generous, like go under your eyes. And just apply this mixture everywhere. I'm using this brush because it's like easier to apply. Just trying not to get into my mouth. Get your forehead also. And don't forget to get your neck. I am feeling that sensation. It's like, but trust me, this works magic, honestly. And yeah, if you can leave it for 30 minutes, just leave it for 15 minutes until it's all dry. And you can, this is my face after 30 minutes, it's all dried off. And like, I can't even move my face. I'm like just trying to have a conversation. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this off. But I can already see, like, see how like my face is glowing. Yes. So let's wash this off, and we're gonna be right back. I'm not trying to whisper. I just like can't move my mouth. Okay. Here is my face after rinsing clean. See how I'm going already. So I like to, you can use like any moisturizer of your choice or your face cream, but I'm gonna be using aloe vera gel. Kind of like just give me that freshness. I'm gonna just put that all over my face. I'm gonna go to bed. So really just not like applying aloe vera on my face. Don't forget your neck also, it's really important. Yes. We often forget our neck whenever we're applying treatment or that and stuff. And yes, look at me, fresh. Oh, good. And voila, we are ready. Skin is breathing all right and healthy. That's what we want. There you have it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, comment, like, do all of those jazz, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, it is free. Support your girl. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.